Having your video off in an online meeting is the equivalent of having a blanket over yourself in a real life meeting. It's very strange, and it's really not showing a lot of engagement. And when you're presenting and you see like, oh, all these people have their video off, you start questioning, are these people listening? Are they engaged? Do they even care? Are they even there? Or are they just showing up because they're supposed to? And a lot of self-doubt can happen, and we can start to really shrink. So as a presenter, there's a couple things you can do. You can say, please turn your videos on. You can actually try and call on someone who you see has their video off and ask them a question. See if they're there. You can write it in the chat box. Please turn your videos on because we need to connect and see each other. Of course, there are moments where maybe you need to turn your video off. You need to get up, you need to get something, or, those happen. But for the most part, if we're gonna be in this space, let's have our videos on. Let's show that we're engaged. Let's give good body language that's generous and supportive. And also, if you're presenting and you turn your video off and you just show your PowerPoint, that is not very exciting or engaging. We wanna see your face. Your face and how you care about the content is way more interesting than a PowerPoint slide could ever be. And if the PowerPoint is that important, you can email it to us afterwards, and we can then look at it. But we want to see you. That's where the energy and passion comes from. And that's where we get on board your big ideas, not by reading the screen. Okay, so let's have our videos on and be in these meetings.